Hi, I am Erjim Daniel Tides and I'm going to discuss about software distribution and the kinds of software distribution. First, what is software distribution?
Software distribution is the process of delivering software to the end user. This is not to be confused with the distribution or distro, which is collection of software components built, assembled, and configured so that it can be used essentially as is. For its intended purpose, software distribution is often the closest thing to turnkey form of free software. It may take the form of a binary distribution with an executable installer which can be downloaded from the internet. Examples range from whole operating system distributions to server and interpreter distributions. Software distribution can also refer to careware and donateware.
And now we will discuss about the kinds of software distribution.
The first is freeware. Freeware is computer software that is available for use at no charge. In other words, freeware may be used without payment but may usually not be modified, redistributed, or reverse engineered without the author's permission. Common examples include internet browsers such as Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome, the voice over IP service Skype, and the PDF file reader Adobe Acrobat. Freeware antivirus software is also available, and examples include AVG Antivirus Free, Microsoft Security Essentials, and Avira Free Antivirus. Next is open source software. Is software with source code that anyone can inspect, modify, and enhance. Source code is the part of software that most computer users don't ever see. It's the code computer programmers can manipulate to change how a piece of software, a program, or application works. Programmers who have access to a computer program source code can improve that program by adding features to it or fixing parts that don't always work correctly. These logos are the examples of open source software. Next is shareware. Shareware is a type of proprietary software which is provided free of charge to users, who are allowed and encouraged to make and share copies of the program, which helps to distribute it. Shareware is often offered as a download from an internet website or as a compact disc included with a magazine. There are many types of shareware, and while they may not require an initial upfront payment, all are intended to generate revenue in one way or another. Some limit use to personal non-commercial purposes only, with purchase of a license required for use in a business enterprise. The software itself may be limited in functionality or be time limited, or it may remind the user that payment will be appreciated. These software logos are the example of shareware software. Next is demoware. Demoware is commercial software released by way of a free download in a version which is limited in one or more of the following ways. Remains functional for a set number of days from installation. May only be launched a set number of times. Is limited to a set number of days of use. Program execution terminates after a set time period, typically between 5 and 60 minutes. Limited number of times an important function may be used. The second to the last is commercial software. Is any software or program that is designed and developed for licensing or sale to end users or that serves a commercial purpose. Commercial software was once considered to be proprietary software, but now a number of free and open source software applications are licensed or sold to end users. Off-the-shelf software programs such as games or those sold in computer specialty stores or even music stores and grocery stores are some examples of commercial software. Microsoft products such as the Windows operating system and MS Office are some of the most well-known examples of commercial software. The last one is public domain software. Is software that has been placed in the public domain. In other words, there is absolutely no ownership such as copyright, trademark, or patent. Software in the public domain can be modified, distributed, or sold even without any attribution by anyone. This is unlike the common case of software under exclusive copyright where software licenses grant limited usage rights. The examples for public domain software are SQLite, BLAS, I2P.
And that's all. Thank you for listening.